New York State senators have drafted 2 bills this month that propose a ban on paying ransomware attackers with taxpayers' money. New York refuses to negotiate with criminals. In April of 2017, the National Security Agency, NSA, was hacked by an unidentified team of hackers who called themselves the Shadow Brokers. The Shadow Brokers were able to steal all the NSA's top-secret hacking tools, including zero-day exploits, and other tricks of the trade that the agency used to target terrorists for espionage. These stolen tools were sold on the dark web to the highest bidders, by the cybercriminals. Ever since then, there has been an epidemic of ransomware attacks on local and state governments, businesses and other organizations who have sensitive data. The hackers are able to use tools stolen from the NSA, like the Eternal Blue malware, to encrypt all the files on an infected machine, and then they demand a ransom, usually in Bitcoin, for the keys to decrypt the data. Many victims have paid, and others have chosen to permanently lose the data by not paying. Municipal targets like local and state governments often choose to pay the ransoms and recover data at the expense of city budgets and tax revenues. The new bill, introduced by New York Senator Phil Boyle, would restrict government access to funds in order to pay ransoms in cities with a population under 1 million residents. A second bill, was proposed by New York Senator David Carlucci, just days later. This bill would create funds to update the country's aging cybersecurity infrastructure and make local and state items less vulnerable to ransomware attacks. Together, these bills are nice one-two punch combo to knock out ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks are now the preferred cybercrime of hackers. Ransomware attacks, or cryptojacking as they are also known, have been exponentially increasing worldwide. In one such attack, the city of Sacramento, California's regional transit system was targeted by hackers. The city chose not to. You can read full post on Cryptofans News, link available in text below.